Well, this is new. This is very new. That's a white-winged chough. And it's come over to my door. Hello. How you doing? Hey. Have you come to say hello? We'll get something for them. I think they're mostly vegan. Hello. How's it going? Whoa, kookaburra. Hey. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Hello. How are you? Let's see if they come down. Hey. Oh, there's another one. They hang out in their families. So we've got 4 here. Hi, look. They're quite cute little things. They've got red eyes. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Hey, how you guys doing? Alright, well, I reckon I'm gonna have to get something for the kookaburra. But, yeah, it's just a bit new. They don't usually come and say hi. Just zoom out a little bit. Alright, you lot. Go on. Alright, I'll get some. Oh, sorry. I'll get something for the kookaburra. Hang on. 1 moment. And the kookaburra. It's starting to get a bit cold here. It's all fluffed up. Alright, 1 moment. Hey, Cook, how's it going? Do you want something? What? Hey. Got a little drive by the choughs are a bit sound. Hey. What? I think that they got something. There you go. Do you want one more? There you go. Your feet are cold. Alright, off you go. Alright, well, nice to meet you. Have a good day. Bye. Still going over there. You have a good day too. Alright, bye.